Starting around 21 walk 2024, Velo really is exchanging at $6 in term of its OST rate with a value change of 175% in by and large most recent 60 minutes. Velo essentially has a for the most part complete market cap of $44.173 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,316,213 in an unobtrusive manner. This especially makes Velo really positioning at 687 in the digital money market, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the Velo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Velo especially be genuinely worth in 2024 in a sort of large manner? Is Velo a sort of wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024, which basically is very huge? Will Velo cost essentially outperform its unsurpassed high, which fundamentally is very critical? These sort of are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in an especially large manner. Velo value expectation 2024 as per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Velo cost by and large is supposed to generally cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.77, the normal most certainly least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the really current year ought to in every practical sense be $0.75, which sort of is genuinely critical. Besides, Velo can basically arrive at an all things considered greatest value level of $0.87 in an essentially large manner. Velo value gauge walk 2024. In walk 2024, the cost of Velo basically is supposed to in every practical sense be at around a truly least of $0.54 in an all things considered significant way. Velo cost can by and large arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.61 with the very normal cost of $0.59 in est in an unobtrusive way. Velo value estimate April 2024. The Velo cost for April 2024 may by and large arrive at an in every way that really matters, least worth of $0.96, while the truly most extreme gauge cost in every way that really matters is around $0.64 in an unobtrusive way. The in every way that really matters normal cost for Velo explicitly is especially anticipated to in a real sense reach $0.62 in April 2024 in a for the most part large manner. Velo value estimate. May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Velo certainly is supposed to be at around an exceptionally least of $0.96 in a genuinely significant manner. Velo cost can sort of arrive at a really limit of $0.67 with the typical cost of $0.63 in est in an essentially large way. Velo value expectation June 2024. The cost of Velo generally is somewhat anticipated to generally reach at a kind of least worth of $0.62 in June 2024, which basically is genuinely critical. The Velo cost could basically arrive at a really greatest worth of $0.69 with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $0.64 all through 2024. Velo value conjecture July 2024. The Velo cost for July 2024 may really arrive at a very least worth of $0.64, while the genuinely most extreme gauge cost in every practical sense is around $0.72 in a kind of significant manner. The genuinely normal cost for Velo truly is for the most part anticipated to fundamentally reach $0.966 in July 2024, which essentially is genuinely huge. Velo value expectation August 2024. The cost of Velo generally is explicitly anticipated to for the most part reach at any rate worth of $0.67 in August 2024 in an especially huge manner. The Velo cost could in a real sense arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0.74 with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $0.69 all through 2024, which sort of shows that this generally makes Velo fundamentally positioning at 687 in the cryptographic money market, or so they certainly thought. Velo value gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Velo sort of is gauged to for the most part be at around a kind of least worth of $0.69, sort of additional appearance how in the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the Velo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Velo explicitly be fundamentally worth in 2024? The Velo value worth can arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.77 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.72 in USD in an unobtrusive way. Velo value expectation October 2024. With respect to October 2024, Velo cost for the most part is conjectured to arrive at a very the least cost of $0.71 in a quite large manner. The Velo cost could generally arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.01 with the truly normal expected cost around $9.73, which especially demonstrates the way that the Velo cost could for the most part arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $9.81 with a by and large normal expected cost around $9.73 in a for the most part significant manner. Velo value gauge November 2024. The Velo conjecture for November 2024 expects that the Velo may, in every practical sense, arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $8.4 with a sort of least cost of around $9.72 in an essentially significant manner. Discussing the sort of typical value Velo can truly stretch around $9.75 for November, which essentially demonstrates the way that Velo cost can explicitly arrive at a really limit of $9.67 with the genuinely normal cost of $9.63 in USD, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Velo value figure December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Velo basically is estimated to generally be at around a kind of least worth of $9.75 in a significant manner. The Velo value worth can truly arrive at a very limit of $9.87 with a very normal exchanging worth of $9.77 in USD. So will Velo cost truly outperform its record-breaking high? Or so they thought. Velo certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Velo's cost for the most part has shown a very decent increment of 141% in the sort of most recent 24 hours, which fundamentally is very critical. From especially most recent 7 days, the Velo especially was in every way that really matters, great vertical pattern, and expanded by 0.9% in a kind of significant manner. Velo generally has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be in every practical sense, great chance to basically dive right in and contribute, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo value gauge 2024 facts. What will truly be Velo exceptionally worth in 2024, which in a real sense is very critical. The Velo cost in every way that really matters is gauged to sort of arrive at a, for the most part, greatest degree of $9.87 with exceptionally least cost of $9.75 toward the finish of 2024 in a sort of huge manner. Does Velo truly have a future, which for the most part is genuinely critical? As far as value, Velo in every practical sense has a remarkable, exceptionally potential to arrive at new levels, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking in a real sense. It is gauged that Velo will increment in esteem in an unobtrusive way. As per pretty unambiguous specialists and business experts, Velo can truly stir things up around town much the greatest cost of $43.80 till 2030, showing the way that Velo cost can truly arrive at a truly limit of $61 with the sort of typical cost of $59 in a fundamentally enormous way. Is Velo really worth purchasing in 2024, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking? Velo's worth for the most part is supposed to really keep on growing, as deficiency will in general empower cost rise, which sort of is very huge. Kindly note, there in a real sense is a gamble to any venture. Just for the most part put resources into what you can generally